Welcome. Today we're talking about something that might seem too good to be true. That's 10 to 30% ROI real estate investments here in San Diego County. I know it sounds pretty catchy, right? But this isn't just a flashy title. There are real estate investment opportunities in real estate today that most people just aren't aware of. Traditionally, real estate is seen as an investment buy and hold strategy. You buy a house and rent it out long term. It's a solid approach, but there's several other ways to make money in real estate known as value add opportunities. These value add opportunities require a shift in mindset to understand what they are and how to financially participate. Here's what often prevents investors from diving into these types of investments. First, they're really hard to find and time consuming to identify the opportunities. Second, it takes experience and know-how, which maybe you don't have if you haven't done something like this before. Third, some projects are very time consuming and demand active participation. You might not have the time for that. But don't stop watching just yet. This is where I come in. I routinely connect investment-minded people like you with viable projects, resources, and even people seeking funding for their value-add projects. Annual returns I'm seeing right now range from 10% to 30%, and the projects go anywhere from 3 months up to 28 months. So what types of investments are these? They're not complicated. They include things you've likely heard about already, like lot splits or small infill developments, home flips, ADU construction, SB9 lot splits, and other similar type. So what's the first step to getting in front of these opportunities when they happen? It's simple. Call me. We'll discuss your objectives, figure out how to help you put your time or capital to work for you. Stop sitting on the sidelines. Let's make those 10 to 30% ROI real estate investments a reality.